This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to get CapCut on your MacBook. So I'm right here on CapCut. This is the main download page. Very, very simple. You are just going to click one of these big green buttons here. Maybe you click this one right here. That will instantly save to your MacBook. It will go to your downloads location, which is set default by the browser that you're using. I'm using Google Chrome as my browser, so it goes to the downloads folder. So literally just going to go into your downloads folder and find that downloaded file, follow the simple steps from there. So that is the main downloads page. I have this special offer right here for 7 days of free Pro, even not Pro. CapCut Pro, free for 7 days. If you click the link down below this video in the video description, the link is mattbusiness.com/recommend/CapCut. You can get 7 days to check out the platform, see what you think of the app. If it is for you, you can keep using it. If not, you can easily cancel without spending a single penny. So that is Pro, free for 7 days. Check out my link. I've also got this blog article right here that I think might be helpful for you. This is official documentation on the CapCut blog. It kind of outlines the differences between the standard and the Pro plan on CapCut. So you can see they got the sort of side by side here, what the standard free plan has and what the Pro plan has. That might be useful for you. So I've included that link also in the video description, and it's on screen right here, but you can click that link obviously in the video description. So hopefully you found this video on how to get CapCut on your MacBook useful. If you found it helpful, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.